Mental health and stress management. A guide to a healthier mind. In today's fast-paced world, mental health and stress management have become essential topics. Many people face challenges like anxiety, depression, and chronic stress, which affect their well-being. On Healthify Hub, we're here to help you understand mental health better and share practical ways to manage stress effectively. Understanding mental health. Mental health isn't just the absence of illness, it's about emotional well-being, resilience, and how we handle life's challenges. Factors like work pressure, financial issues, and even social media can take a toll on our mental state. Signs of poor mental health: feeling overwhelmed or irritable, difficulty sleeping or concentrating, loss of interest in activities, persistent sadness or anxiety. Tips for stress management. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Spend a few minutes daily focusing on your breath or meditating. Apps like Headspace or Calm can guide you through simple sessions. Physical activity. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, reducing stress naturally. Even a 15-minute walk can make a difference. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a balanced diet with plenty of water. Avoid excessive caffeine, sugar, and alcohol. Time management. Create a to-do list and prioritize tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Learn to say no when necessary. Talk to someone. Share your feelings with a friend, family member, or professional counselor. Therapy isn't a sign of weakness, it's a tool for growth. Relaxation techniques. Practice deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation. Engage in hobbies like painting, gardening, or listening to music. Why mental health awareness matters. Taking care of your mental health is as important as physical health. Spreading awareness helps break the stigma, encouraging people to seek help and prioritize self-care. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. Small changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your mental health. Stay tuned to Healthify Hub for more tips and strategies to enhance your overall well-being.